What's up everybody, Cortez Cuts back with another video, and I'm going to show y'all how to do a low taper. So before I even touch my clippers, I went ahead with his hair and picked it out so I can section out the long hair from the short hair. Now, setting a bald guideline for a taper, I kinda line it up with the top of the ear and at the top of the sideburn also. And then I'm gonna just use my shaver and debulk them so it can look as clean as possible. Now, my first guideline, I'm gonna go no guard, lever open, and I'm gonna go about fingers width. Now, for our second guideline, we're gonna get our one guard, lever open, and just following that shape, going up another finger width. Now the highest guard I'm going to use is a 2 guard. I'm going to make my last guideline going lever open, going up another finger's width, flicking out. Now fading down, I'm going to get my 1.5 guard, lever open, follow it up right underneath where I went with that 2 guard, close it and start to lighten up that second guideline. Now still fading down to completely erase that top line. I'm gonna get my 1 guard, lever open again, flick it out, close the lever, and follow it up right underneath, starting to lighten up that half guideline. And you will need a detail, so once you realize you need to detail, you see those dark spots, go ahead and just open the lever up all the way and hit it with the corner of your blade. And now that the top is faded out, I'm going to clipper over comb the bulk, starting to blend into the top. Now for detail purposes, I got my shears. Now I went shear over comb to fully, blend into that bulk. Now starting to fade out the no guard, lever open guideline, I'm gonna get my half guard, lever open, and kind of just work my way into the 1 guard. And as I go down, I'm gonna close it halfway and then close it all the way, completely taking out that bottom guideline. And then of course detail as needed with your lever open using the corner of your blades. Now to fully blend out my bald guideline, I'm gonna go no guard, lever open, fading into the half guard area, and then close it halfway and close as needed. And then again, just detail work. This is really all just lever play. And if for some reason you still see your bald guideline, go ahead and just grab your trimmers again and just flick it out, and it should be completely faded. Now starting to line up the C-cup, I basically just start right at the corner of the vertical bar and the top of the C-cup and just cut off the overhang. And then I line up my sideburn, natural, don't push it back, and then I use the corner of my trimmer to connect those 2 points in the middle. So he didn't want to trim off a lot of length, but he does not like it when there's too much hair on the side and you can't really see the fade. So all I kind of really did was just cut off the bulk hanging over his ear and the fade. Now lining up around the ear, I found a technique on Instagram and TikTok, one or the other. I went clipper over comb debulking around the ear so that when you do line it up, you have a crispier, sharper, cleaner look while you're lining it up. It's gonna look a little sharper, and it's probably easier to it'll probably be easier to line it up because it's not so thick from all the weight that it would have if you didn't clipper over comb it. And of course, When I go around the ear, I just use the corner of the blade. Now here's me going around with the razor, sharpening out those sideburns around the ear and defining that design. I do appreciate y'all watching this. I tried my best with this video. It took me a while to make it, but here's the final result. I really hope y'all liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.